Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Disconnect battery and power before starting to avoid shorts or shocks. Wear eye protection and avoid jewelry near electronics. Gather a 1.5 mm screwdriver, tweezers, magnifier, plastic picks, and 5V tester. Use a small container for screws and label them by location to avoid errors. Work on a clean anti-static surface with good lighting and steady seating. Keep a phone teardown guide or exploded view ready to follow precise screw and clip locations. Inspect the jack for debris, bent pins, or loose solder joints using a magnifier. Gently wiggle the plug to check for intermittent connection or loose mount. Test charging with a known 5V charger and measure current and voltage with your tester. Note whether the phone charges only at certain angles or not at all. Photograph each step and keep screws grouped to maintain assembly order. Decide whether to clean, reflow solder, or replace the jack based on these findings. Clean debris with compressed air and isopropyl swabs before further repair to ensure good contacts. If pins are bent or damaged, source a compatible replacement jack and prepare for replacement. If solder joints are cracked, reflow them with a fine-tip soldering iron at a controlled temperature and use flux. Replace the jack if pins are bent or irreparable, aligning pads carefully before soldering. Reassemble in reverse order, tighten screws gently, and test charging with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.